Hey everyone, and welcome back to Mitchell Makes Vids. Today we're diving into SNDK Technologies, ticker SNDK, an emerging player in high bandwidth memory solutions critical for AI training and inference. As of January 7, 2026, SNDK is trading near $21.80 in the afternoon session, up over 32% from yesterday's close of $16.50 on explosive volume surpassing 58 million shares. The big catalyst early this morning, Sandisk announced a multi-billion-dollar, multi-year supply agreement with one of the leading hyperscalers to provide next-generation HBM chips for their AI data center expansion. This deal validates SNDK's proprietary memory architecture and gives the company clear visibility into massive revenue growth starting in late 2026. Analysts are raising price targets, citing SNDK's competitive edge in power efficiency and scalability, key advantages in the red-hot AI infrastructure build-out. SNDK is a high volatility growth name with significant upside potential, but also risks, definitely worth tracking. This is not financial advice. Always do your own research. If this update was useful, smash that like button, subscribe to Mitchell Makes Vids, and comment if you're watching SNDK. See you in the next one. Guys, check the links in the video description below. Make some cash. Become a member of my channel today. See you soon.